So this is how you do a whipped running stitch or a threaded running stitch. So what you want to do is bring the needle up through the fabric at the end of your line and then create your first stitch. And then you skip out as if you're missing one stitch and bring it back up through the fabric one length on and back down into the fabric and continue like that until you reach the end of your line. And then what you want to do is bring the needle up in the same original place with your second colour. And then what you're going to do is run the needle underneath the first stitch and pull it through. And then you're going to come back into the stitch this way and alternate the stitches with your secondary colour. And then when you're finished, thread the needle back through the exit hole and pull it through. And there you have a threaded running stitch.